YouTube Studio offers a simple solution. Start by logging into your account and selecting Subtitles from the left menu. There, you can choose your language and begin adding subtitles. You can also add subtitles during the upload process. This can be done by uploading a transcript, using YouTube's auto-sync feature, or just by simply typing subtitles manually. You can adjust the timing of subtitles during this process.